Hello guys, welcome back. How to store cryptocurrency? Once you have purchased cryptocurrency, you need to store it safely to protect it from hackers or thief usually. Cryptocurrency is stored in crypto wallets, which are physical device or online software used to store the private key to use your cryptocurrencies securely. Some exchange provide wallet service, making it easy for you to store directly through the platform. However, not all exchanges or brokers automatically provide wallet service for you. There are different wallet providers to choose from. The term hot wallet and cold wallet are used. Hot wallet storage. Well, hot wallet refers to crypto storage that use online software to protect the private key to your assets. Cold wallet storage. Unlike hot wallet, cold wallet, also known as hardware wallet, rely on offline electronic device to securely store your private key. Typically, cold wallet tend to charge fee, while hot wallet does not charge fee. What can you buy with cryptocurrency? When it was first launched, Bitcoin was intended to be a medium for daily transaction, making it possible to buy everything from a cup of coffee to a computer on even big street item like real estate that has not quite materialized. And while the number of institutions accepting cryptocurrencies is growing, large transactions involving it are rare. Even so, it is possible to buy a wide variety of products from e-commerce websites using crypto. Here are some examples. Technology and e-commerce sites. Several companies that sell touch products accept crypto on their websites such as newgag.com, AT&T, and Microsoft Overstock platform was among the first site to accept Bitcoin. Luxury goods. Some luxury retailers accept crypto as a form of payment. For example, online luxury retailers Bit offers Rolex, Patek, other high-end watches in return for Bitcoin. Cars. Some car dealers from mass market brands to high-end luxury dealers already accept cryptocurrency as payment. Insurance. In April 2021, Swiss insurance AXA announced that it had accepted Bitcoin as a mode of payment for all its line of insured except life insurance due to regulatory issue. Primer shield insurance, which sell home and auto insurance policies in the US, also accept Bitcoin for premium payments. If you want to spend cryptocurrency at a retailer that does not accept it directly, you can use a cryptocurrency debit card such as BitPay in the USA. Cryptocurrency further and cryptocurrency scam. Cryptocurrency fraud and cryptocurrency scam. Unfortunately, cryptocurrency crime is on the rise. Cryptocurrency scams include fake website, blog sites which feature fake testimoniation and crypto jargon promising massive generated return provided you can keep investing. Virtual Ponzi scheme. Cryptocurrency crimes promote non-exist opportunity to invest in digital currencies and create the illusion of huge return by paying off old investors with new investor money. One scam operation BitClub network raised more than $700 million before its preparation were indicted in December 2019. Celebrity endorsement. Scammers pose online as billionaires or well-known names who promise to multiple your investment in a virtual currency but interested till what you send. They many also use messaging apps or chats room to start roaming that a famous business person in backing in spaces cryptocurrency. Once they have engaged invested to buy and driven up the price, the scammers sell their strike and the currency reduce in value. Romance scam. The FBI warned of the trend in online dating scam, where tickets purchase people they meet on dating apps or social media to invest or trade in virtual currencies. The FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center field more than 1,800 reports of crypto-focused romance scam. In the first 7 months of 2021, with losses reached 133 billion. Otherwise, further many pose a legitimate virtual currency trades or set up bugs exchange to strike people into giving them money. Another crypto scam involved fraud, sale, chase, or individual retirements accounts in cryptocurrencies. Then there is straightforward cryptocurrency hacking, where crime break into the digital wallets where people store their virtual currency on still if. Cryptocurrency safe. Cryptocurrencies are usually built using blockchain technologies. Blockchain describe the way transactions are recorded into blocks and the time stamp. It is a fairly complex technology process, but the result is a digital ledger or cryptocurrency transaction that's hard for hacker to tamper with. In additional transaction required to two-factor authentication process. For instance, you might be asked to enter a username and password to start a transaction. Then you might have to enter a authentication code sent via text to personal cell phone. While securities are in place, that does not mean cryptocurrencies are unhackable. Survival high dollar hack have cost currency startups heavily. Hacker hit coin check to the tune of $534 million and Bitgers for $195 million, making them two the biggest cryptocurrency hack of 2018. Unlikely government backed money, the value of virtual currency is driven increase by supply. The damage this can create violent swing that produce significant gain for investor or big losses, and cryptocurrency investment are subject to far less regulatory protections than traditional financial products like stock, bonds, and mutual funds.